You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish or Mexican, meaning shrimps. You're gonna have several recipes. I'll link to a few recipes at the end of the video that you should learn the pronunciation of if you're ordering at a restaurant. The Spanish pronunciation here is as camarones. It's the plural of camaron. Camaron is shrimp, camarones is shrimps. Camarones. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say camarones. Camarones. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Does that work if you're at a Mexican restaurant? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.